Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. The first one, and I know when I show it to you it's not going to look like anything, but when you see my samples you're going to go, oh, it's all about gift cards, because you know what, the holidays are coming, we need to offer gift cards to our friends and family. This is a gift card pop-up that is going to fit inside the 3D pop-up number 2 drop-in. Many of you already have this die, so you're going to use this die to drop that in there, and that's going to hold a gift card. Now don't worry, I'm going to demo this at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Next, we have a word die set that says, "So glad we're friends." Again, doesn't look like much, but don't worry, you're going to see the samples. And this one, this is fun. Look at this. This is a die that fits on top of an A2 size card. That die cuts all of these triangles. Now, I've added extra triangles to layer if you want to. I did 4 stitched and 4 regular. So if you want all regular, you're going to die cut those twice. If you want all stitched, you're going to die cut these twice. Lots and lots of options. Let's look at the samples for this one first. Here is a sample of them together. Now this is one where they do not use the stitch. It almost looks like a pinwheel this way, huh? And you'll notice it layers perfectly on an A2 size card. Here's an example with using the stitched stitched square triangles. Here's another example. It just adds extra dimension to the background. It's really fun. Oh, here's another awesome one that you can get an idea of how fun that is, and you can see those triangles. Now this one's going to change your mind. If you weren't thinking you needed this one, now you're going to need it. Look at this. Isn't that stunning? Oh, and there's that brand new "So Glad We're Friends" as well. That's being released this month. Then we have another triangle one with our cute little koala. Here's the dream. So you can use these with pattern paper, cardstock, and they just add some more dimension, just some more interest to the background of your card. There's another one, so pretty. Now let's move on to this "So Glad We're Friends." Ooh, look at that, cut out of glitter paper. Oh, here's another one cut out of glitter paper. So pretty and so easy to add to your cards. Look at that, the bacon and the eggs. Isn't that adorable? So glad we're friends. From one crazy bird to another. So glad we're friends. Ooh, look at this pretty one with the circle cut out of the front. Look at that. So glad we're friends. Now, let's look at the 3D gift card pop-up. And I'm going to show you how to do this one in just a second. But there we go. There's a front of our card, and there is our little gift card. See how it's popping up? So cute, and it comes with a gift for you. You can use it in regular card bases or in our fancy card bases. There's another one, gift card. Here, oh, there's a sneak peek on this one. You can also do it vertical. You don't have to do it this way. You can do it vertical as well. So you can add your gift card right there. So it's popping up. Ooh, here's a cute one with little candles. A gift for you. And then the card's going to be right there. Lots of options on this one. For you, open that up. Oh, there's a gift card. Look at that. Oh, you can also do it on your donuts if you want, on a Fold-it. What you're going to do on a Fold-it is you're just going to trim down the edges of the card base to fit your Fold-it. And here's another fun one. This is just the inside. You're going to open that up, and there it is popped up for you. Now, let me show you how easy this one is to do, because that's so important for you to see. It is very easy. And you know me, if it's not easy, I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to bring my machine over so you can see, and I have the base of this card base here. It's the 3D pop-up number 2 drop-in. I'm going to use the base of this one, and this is a little bit smaller than A2, so it will layer in an A2 card, and you're going to see these notches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to line up my notches. Notch, 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 notch. Look at that. See how they line up just like that? And then if you want to, you can add washi tape if it makes you feel better. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't even bother. But if you are just going to feel better about it, go ahead and add your washi tape. So I'm just going to tape it so it doesn't move when I run through the machine. There's one there. And there's one there. And then I'm going to run this through. Easy peasy. Now this is going to create not only the pop-up, but also the little spot that's gonna hold the gift card. So that's one of the fun things about this one, is it also holds the gift card. You don't have to add adhesive to the gift card for it to stay in the card. So now I'm gonna lift this up, pop this out, and you're gonna say, wait, it didn't die cut, it didn't come out. No, it's not supposed to come out, it's supposed to stay in there. So we're gonna fold it in half on because that's what it's gonna look like, and then we're gonna fold it, fold it like that, and then we're gonna pop this out and fold on those score lines. Fold on that score line. Now watch this. Now I'm going to add it to a card base. Let's see if I even have a card base here. I don't have one handy. We can use a slimline one because we can trim it down, remember? So I'm gonna add this in there. Now watch this. So what I would do if I wanted to add this to a slimline, I would just trim this pink off that you see. And then when I open it up, look at that. There is my gift card. Now I could do it this way, or I could do it this way. I can decorate my card. And you'll see it has those cute little notches, so I can add my little gift card on there. Isn't that awesome? I know. Now it also comes with, don't worry, it also comes with some other dies. Oh, what did I do with it? I already lost it. But it comes with other dies, and it comes with For You. Oh, here it is. So it comes with a present and a shadow, 2 candles and shadows, a little tree, a gift for you. Words. Awesome. I know, isn't it fun? Now go check those out. Club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on those. If you're not in the club, you're missing out. You need to join ASAP. You're missing out on that discount and the club points and the freebies and the goodies and all the fun stuff. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.